Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. So today is in October, and what is October?
My birthday!
It's Jenna's birthday, that is right. What else is in October?
Halloween!
Halloween! What else is in October? It's called Save the Tatas.
What is Tata?
That's right, Save the Tatas. This is a thing we use. It's a ribbon, pink ribbon. We put the lights in it here, and it hangs up off of a building about 80 feet. We got 3 or 4 of these. If you would like the cutouts for this, I will put the link down below. All you have to do is you just put your lights in where you want them, and the lights are pink, and you can get these ribbons in any color you want. I did paint the ribbon pink. If I turned it off, you would see how bad of a paint job I did. So we won't turn them off. We'll just leave it like this because, like I say, this one goes 80 feet up in the air and you can't tell what the paint job looks like. But with that said, this is a pink ribbon for the Tatas. Remember, it is October and we want to make sure that we are still around for our family. So make sure you are tested and get all that stuff done. But that being said, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it very much. I'm trying to get to 100. I'm trying to get to 500. Trying to get to 1,000. But today I'm trying to get to 100. So please subscribe. And this is, like I say, you can get these in they come in white, and then all you got to do is paint them. So if you want one for green, one for whatever, you know, autism, anything like that, and then you can just put the lights in them. They're actually pretty cool. Some of them you can actually make where it says stuff through it right through here. They put if you know how to do the pixels, I may show some of the pixel work stuff. But you can actually have it where it actually says stuff and that kind of stuff too, which is pretty cool. But thanks for watching and have a great day.